Welcome back. Today we're going to go over different animals that live in the jungle. You ready? Let's get started. Anteater. A N T E A T E R. Anteater. Crocodile. 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 Eagle. 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 Elephant. 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 Frog. 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 Gorilla. 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 Iguana. 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 Jaguar. 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 Leopard. 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 Owl. 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 Parrot. 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 Python. 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 Tiger. 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 Now that's just a few of the animals that live in the jungle. Can you think of some others?